Hello traders, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the chart layout on MetaTrader. I'll show you on how you can change the style, the background, and the colors. By default, after downloading MetaTrader, you get this ugly chart layout. But then in today's video, I'll show you on how you can customize your chart layout to make it look nice, just like this one. Okay, then let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is to select the candlesticks on this toolbar. They just make your chart look so easy to read and nice. Then to change the background and the colors and everything, right click anywhere on the chart, then scroll down and click on properties. This is where we'll make our changes, and here you just get a little preview that you could look at while you're making the changes. Okay, we'll start the background. To change the background color, just click on this drop down and then select the color you want. I prefer white. The foreground, I'll just select blue. Then the grid, I don't want it, so if I don't want it, I will just click on none. It will be removed. The bar up, black. Bar down, black. The bold angle, lime. The back angle, I like it to be red, so just select red. Line graph, just leave it in lime. The volume is this indicator, so I don't want it, just say none. The ask line and the stop levels, I will just leave them at red. Just click on OK. Okay, now our chart has been changed, but then it's not good, it's not that good. As you can see, there's these vertical lines. These are called period separators. I don't want them, so I'll just right click again on the chart, scroll down, click on properties, but then this time I'll click on common. Then I'll untick this box that says show period separators, and also untick this one that says show grid. Click on OK. As you can see, now they are removed. Okay, now let's just say I want to remove this indicator. All I have to do is I'll just have above it, right click on it and select delete indicator. I can also do that on this one, have above it, right click, delete indicator. Okay, now our chart looks so nice than it was before, but then now there's one thing that you have to do that will save you a lot of time, and that is to save this chart template so that you don't go through all the settings each and every time you change the pairs. So to save this template, right click anywhere on the chart again, then scroll down and click on templates. On that template, click on save template. Just give this template any name. Click on save. If you go here and click on this template icon, you'll see now there's a new template that's been added. The demo template is the one that we have just saved. Okay, now let's pretend I have this ugly chart layout, but then now I don't want to go through all the steps that we have went through to change the colors and everything. All I can do is to click on templates there and then select the template that we want, which is the one that we have saved. As you can see, with just one click, everything has been added. This is how you change the chart layout and the colors on MetaTrader. If this video helped you in any way or you find it useful, I would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. It will only take 2 seconds of your time to like and subscribe, but then to me it will mean a lot and motivate me to make more videos such as this one. Other than that, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.